This is why you need professional care for your luxury carpets. And how USA Clean Master can help. Luxury carpets are more than just floor coverings, they're statement pieces. But exotic fibers need special care to stay looking their best. That's where USA Clean Master comes in. Our team of experts uses cutting-edge techniques and eco-friendly solutions to revitalize your high-end carpets. From silk to Persian, we've seen it all and cleaned it all. No more worrying about spills, stains, or wear and tear. With USA Clean Master, you're getting more than just a clean carpet. You're investing in the longevity and beauty of your home's centerpiece. And guess what? We make it easy, fast, and hassle-free. Imagine walking into a room where your carpet looks as stunning as the day you bought it. That's the magic we bring to your home. Because when it comes to luxury, only the best will do. Ready to give your luxury carpets the care they deserve? Contact USA Clean Master today and experience the difference professional cleaning makes. Your carpet will thank you.